Many people, not only hypermobile people, but non-hypermobile people have trouble with their necks. So not only kind of positioning, the whole text neck idea, but trouble with the neck because of stability or lack thereof lower down in the body. So you can see, of course, that the neck is right above the shoulder girdle. So in our shoulder stability workshop, we do talk about head and neck positioning because obviously they are related. And if your shoulder girdle isn't stable enough to support the neck alignment, then you will, of course, be getting some neck issues. And again, you can see there's a number of bones in the neck, but there are also a number of muscles, lots of muscles. Also, quite a complicated system like the shoulders, and in combination with the shoulders, there's a lot going on. So, our fundamentals workshop, Fundamentals 2, shoulder stability in the upper core, includes neck alignment and stability built on that shoulder stability. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll talk to you soon.